Bundle up forecast?
Yeah, definitely. All the jackets, blankets, whatever keeps you warm and cozy heading into this weekend. Similar to yesterday, we're going to jump right in, very quickly go over today's forecast and then go towards the weekend. Currently, we've got some clouds going across the area, a few places of fog, but nothing too bad, and we're in the 60s. Heading into the rest of your day today, we are going to see temperatures warm up into those mid and upper 70s. Clouds generally hang on, and we'll throw in an isolated rain chance as well. So we do still have that weather impact in alert for a couple of different nights and for a few different reasons. So Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, because of this front coming in, not only for that big drop in temperatures, the temperatures themselves, but also the wind chill and that potential for freezing rain heading into Sunday morning. So make sure you're taking care of those 4 P's again today. Going to be perfect weather to do it, and dress warmly if you do have to be outside, and of course limit any travel. Those winter storm watches from yesterday morning north of I-10, a lot of them got upgraded to winter storm warnings, and for a lot of the state we're still under either extreme cold watches or again more of them being updated to warnings. For us down here in the coastal bend, we're not quite within that time frame for the watch to be upgraded to a warning, but that likely is coming here within the next day or so. So we've got an extreme cold watch heading into Saturday night, and that's going to go all the way through midday on Monday. This is what used to be a wind chill advisory, so it's more so dealing with the wind chill in that feels like temperature. Here's a first stab, if you will, at the timing on this cold front, and it has been shifting back and forth if you've been keeping up with us and following along. Yesterday it looked like a little bit later in the day, and then this morning it looks like a little bit earlier. So we do have some pretty wide windows, but we're trying our best to nail this down for y'all. One model I'll show you here in a second is on the earlier side of this, but a lot of the other ones are on the later end. As it stands right now, I think Corpus Christi could be seeing this front into the mid-morning hours, so somewhere between 9 and 11. In terms of impacts, the big thing going to be those temperatures dropping from not only the 70s to the 40s in the afternoon, but temperatures in the mornings dropping into the 20s. And on top of that, we have those winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour, meaning dangerous wind chills. Now, whenever it comes to the length of our freezes, Monday is going to be not only the coldest, but the longest. And if you want to find this picture, I'm not going to spend too much time on it. We do have to keep going. It is on our website and on my social media pages. Here's a look at Futurecast. This is the one where it brings it in a little bit earlier. So I've placed the front where I think it is, but this model kind of lines it up a little bit more with the rain. That being said, into Saturday morning, we are expecting some showers and thunderstorms. We've got a lot of moisture and energy fueling those, and you've got the energy up in the atmosphere as well as the front itself. Now into Saturday afternoon, behind the front, we're going to see temperatures dropping pretty rapidly into the 40s and 50s. So ahead of the front, our high for the day is going to be in the 60s and even 70s in some places, but behind it into the afternoon, this is what you need to be paying attention to, those temperatures rapidly dropping. We are going to keep those rain chances into the overnight hours Sunday into Sunday morning, and as you just saw, some places up to our north, especially the northern half of the coastal bend, going to get very close, if not at that freezing mark or a little under it, and that's where we could see the biggest threat for some freezing rain. So I did again adjust this forecast to a little bit. I brought it down and over ever so slightly. We're still really just expecting a light glaze of ice over our northern counties. That's still going to be the best chance up to our north, but all places could see some if we have damp surfaces still overnight from Saturday from the rain. That could freeze as well and form black ice. So wherever you are, even if you're not actively seeing freezing rain, try to avoid any unnecessary travel heading into Sunday morning. That's probably going to be the worst time to be on the roads. So again, weather impact alert for that front coming in Saturday, that temperature dropping into the afternoon, and then the following 3 mornings for the freezes. Monday and Tuesday both look to be hard freezes in the coastal bend, with Monday being a widespread one and wind chills that morning dipping down into the teens. John Thomas, Lexus.
Yikes.